The following affirmations are very powerful prosperity affirmations. As you're listening to these affirmations, remember that thoughts create things, so remember to think positive thoughts and to create positive beliefs surrounding money in your life whenever possible. And also, a very powerful thing to do is to visualize and feel the feelings of already having infinite money in your bank account. Please repeat the following affirmations either out loud or silently to yourself. I have infinite money. Repeat. I have infinite money in my bank account. I have infinite wealth. I am rich. I am grateful to be rich. I absolutely love being rich. It is so much fun being rich. I have infinite money in my bank account. I love that I have infinite money in my bank account. It is so much fun having infinite money in my bank account. It is so much fun having infinite money in my bank account and being able to do whatever I want, whenever I want. I can see on my bank statement that there is now infinite money in my bank account. I love seeing infinite money in my bank account. I love having infinite money in the bank. I am so grateful to have infinite money in my bank account. I am so thankful to have infinite money in my bank account. I am so thankful for the infinite money in my bank account. I am blessed to have infinite money in my bank account. I love looking at the infinite money on my bank statement. My bank account has infinite money in it. My bank account has infinite money in it and growing. I have infinite money in my bank account. It feels incredible. It is a wonderful feeling knowing that I have infinite money in my bank account. Seeing the infinite money in my bank account puts the biggest smile on my face. It is amazing. Seeing the infinite money in my bank account and on my bank statement makes me grin from ear to ear. I have an infinite supply of wealth. I have an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. I have infinite money in my bank account.